SAP GRC Governance, Risk, and Compliance Online Training. Learn and improve your skills and knowledge to upgrade your profile with a top trainer. Introduction to SAP GRC. SAP GRC, which stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance, is a set of tools and solutions designed to assist organizations in handling risks, adhering to regulations, and enhancing their corporate governance. This suite offers a complete system for overseeing all GRC-related activities, ranging from risk evaluation and control implementation to compliance monitoring and reporting. Overview of SAP GRC. SAP GRC, or Governance, Risk, and Compliance, is a suite of tools designed to help businesses with various aspects of managing risk, ensuring compliance, and enhancing governance. It consists of 4 key components. Access control. This feature assists organizations in managing user access to SAP systems and data by defining roles, permissions, user provisioning, and activity monitoring. Risk management. SAP GRC's risk management module aids in identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks. It involves creating risk policies, conducting assessments, and implementing risk controls. Compliance management. This component ensures adherence to regulations by identifying relevant rules, establishing compliance policies and procedures, and monitoring compliance. Audit management. SAP GRC facilitates internal audits by helping organizations create audit plans, conduct audits, and manage audit findings effectively. SAP GRC is valuable for organizations of all sizes and industries, especially those dealing with complex regulations or having a high-risk profile. The benefits of using SAP GRC. SAP GRC, Governance, Risk, and Compliance, is a software suite that aids organizations in managing risk, ensuring compliance, and enhancing governance. Its advantages include risk reduction. SAP GRC identifies and mitigates risks, decreasing financial, operational, and reputation risks. Compliance improvement. It helps meet industry regulations, reducing the risk of fines and legal action. Governance enhancement. SAP GRC improves control and transparency in organizational processes. Efficiency boost. Automating risk and compliance tasks allows staff to focus on more strategic goals. Visibility improvement provides a holistic view of risk and compliance, aiding decision-making and improvements. Examples of SAP GRC benefits. Fraud prevention. Monitors access, segregates duties, and detects fraud. Accurate financial reporting. Automates compliance with accounting standards. Data security. Monitors data controls, protects sensitive information, and detects breaches. Streamlined audits. Automates data collection and analysis, reducing audit time and costs. Regulator and stakeholder compliance. Generates reports to prove compliance. In summary, SAP GRC enhances risk management, compliance, and governance, resulting in reduced risk, efficiency, and a better reputation. The features of using SAP GRC. SAP GRC, which stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance, is a versatile suite of tools designed to assist organizations in managing and enhancing their governance, risk management, and compliance efforts. It offers a holistic framework for identifying and mitigating risks, ensuring adherence to regulations, and boosting the overall governance of IT systems and processes. Key features of SAP GRC include access control. SAP GRC enables organizations to oversee user access to IT systems and data. It supports role-based access control, monitors user activity, and detects and responds to unauthorized access attempts. Risk management. This tool aids in recognizing, assessing, and mitigating risks associated with IT systems and data. It involves risk assessments, mitigation planning, and ongoing monitoring and reporting. Compliance management. SAP GRC helps ensure compliance by offering compliance templates, automating compliance tasks, and generating reports. Reporting and analytics. It provides robust reporting and analytics capabilities for tracking performance against governance, risk, and compliance metrics. SAP GRC also includes advanced features like process management, audit management, data privacy, and security management, as well as enterprise risk management capabilities. The challenges of using SAP GRC. SAP GRC, a tool for governance, risk, and compliance, presents several common challenges for organizations. Complexity. SAP GRC's intricate nature can hinder proper setup and configuration. Cost. Implementing SAP GRC can be expensive, including software and deployment expenses. Resources. Managing SAP GRC demands skilled personnel, which can be a hurdle for resource-constrained organizations. Integration. Integrating SAP GRC with other systems, both SAP and third-party, can be complex and time-consuming. Change management. Frequent updates and upgrades require organizations to stay current. These challenges may vary based on specific use cases. For instance, internal controls, audit management, and regulatory compliance bring their unique challenges. To tackle these issues, plan thoroughly before implementing SAP GRC. Outline your goals and strategy to avoid complications. Resource allocation. Ensure you have the right people with the necessary expertise or consider using a managed service provider. Thoughtful integration. Carefully integrate SAP GRC with your systems for efficient data synchronization. Change management process. Establish a system for handling updates to minimize business disruption. Stay informed. Keep abreast of SAP GRC updates through SAP support portal to maintain compliance and security. By following these guidelines, organizations can overcome SAP GRC's challenges and fully utilize its capabilities. Why choose SAP GRC? Choosing SAP GRC for your governance, risk, and compliance GRC needs offers several key benefits. Comprehensive solutions. SAP GRC provides a wide range of solutions to handle various aspects of GRC, including internal controls, audits, regulatory compliance, data security, risk management, and business processes. Seamless integration. It seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions like SAP ERP, SAP S/4HANA, and SAP SuccessFactors. This integration streamlines your GRC processes and provides a holistic view of risk and compliance. Scalability. SAP GRC is flexible and can adapt to businesses of all sizes. You can deploy it on premises or in the cloud and customize it to meet your specific requirements. User-friendly. Its user interface is designed for ease of use, even for non-technical users, with clear guidance for completing tasks. Robust reporting and analytics. SAP GRC offers powerful reporting and analytics capabilities to track GRC progress and identify areas for enhancement. SAP GRC aids businesses in various ways. Internal controls. It helps develop, implement, and monitor effective internal controls, reducing the risk of fraud and financial loss. Audit management. Businesses can manage audits more efficiently, saving time and costs while improving audit quality. Regulatory compliance. SAP GRC facilitates compliance with a wide range of regulations, preventing costly fines and penalties. Data security. Protecting data from unauthorized access and misuse helps mitigate the risk of data breaches and security incidents. Risk management. It identifies, assesses, and manages all risks, enhancing overall business resilience. Business process enhancement. SAP GRC improves the efficiency and effectiveness of business processes, leading to cost reductions and increased customer satisfaction. In summary, SAP GRC is a comprehensive GRC solution suitable for businesses of all sizes, helping them achieve their GRC goals effectively. Advantages of choosing SAP GRC. SAP GRC streamlines governance, risk, and compliance for organizations. It offers these key benefits. Risk management. It provides an all-in-one platform to handle various risks, like operational, financial, and IT risks, enabling a comprehensive view for effective mitigation. Compliance management. SAP GRC ensures compliance with various regulations, making it easier to manage policies and evidence centrally. Governance improvement. It aids in managing access controls, duty separation, and conflict of interest resolution. Visibility and transparency. The software offers reporting and analytics tools for better decision-making and performance enhancement. Additional advantages include scalability, flexibility, user-friendliness, multilingual support, and seamless integration with other SAP solutions. In essence, SAP GRC is a robust solution for managing risks, ensuring compliance, and enhancing governance. How to set up a SAP GRC environment? To establish a SAP GRC environment, follow these steps. Install SAP GRC software, either on-premise or in the cloud. Configure the system by defining users, roles, access policies, and risk compliance processes. Integrate SAP GRC with other SAP systems for unified access control and risk management. Test and deploy the environment in your production setting. Additional tips. Begin by understanding your specific governance, risk, and compliance needs. Utilize SAP GRC implementation guides from the SAP Help portal. Seek guidance from experienced SAP GRC consultants if you are new to the system. Key benefits of a SAP GRC environment. Enhanced security and compliance through centralized access control and risk management. Lower risk of fraud and errors with monitoring and control capabilities. Increased efficiency and effectiveness via task automation and real-time visibility into compliance and risks. Managing access controls in SAP GRC. In SAP GRC, ensuring the right people have the right access is vital. Here's how it works. Define roles. Create roles based on job tasks and needs. Assign users. Match users to the appropriate roles. Regular review. Continuously check and adjust access to fit changing needs. Avoid conflicts. Prevent users from having too much control with sort checks. Handle emergencies. Grant temporary access when needed. SAP GRC tools help. Analyze access risks. Spot issues like sort conflicts. Automate access requests. Streamline user access requests. Automate access granting. Simplify granting access. Track access. Monitor, detect trends, and create reports. Best practices. Use role-based access control. Implement segregation of duties. Keep an eye on access regularly. Leverage SAP GRC tools for efficient access control. Monitoring and controlling risks in SAP GRC. SAP GRC is a powerful tool for organizations to manage and mitigate risks. Here's how it works. Identify risks. SAP GRC helps pinpoint potential risks through assessments and stakeholder input. Monitor risks. It offers reports and dashboards to keep an eye on these risks and detect issues early on. Control effectiveness. SAP GRC checks if the controls in place are doing their job in minimizing risks. Incident management. It aids in managing and investigating incidents when problems arise. To make the most of SAP GRC, prioritize your risk monitoring based on importance. Use various data sources for a complete risk picture. Automate processes as much as possible. Continuously update your risk assessments and monitoring methods to stay effective. With SAP GRC, organizations can proactively safeguard against potential risks and ensure smooth operations. Ensuring compliance in SAP GRC. SAP GRC is a versatile toolset for organizations to maintain compliance with various regulations. It covers aspects like internal controls, audits, data security, risk management, and process management. Here's a simplified approach. Identify and evaluate risks. Start by recognizing and assessing compliance risks. This involves risk assessments, industry standards, and staying updated with regulatory changes. Establish and maintain controls. Implement and sustain controls to minimize these risks. SAP GRC offers tools for access control, risk monitoring, and audit management. Monitor and report. Continuously monitor compliance to ensure controls are effective. SAP GRC provides reporting tools to track and report on compliance. To ensure compliance, use access controls to prevent unauthorized data access. Utilize risk monitoring to detect and address compliance issues. Automate audits with SAP GRC's audit management tools. Generate compliance reports for regulators and stakeholders. Additional tips. Prioritize areas with the highest compliance risks. Keep your compliance program up to date. Ensure all employees understand and fulfill compliance responsibilities. Leverage SAP GRC's tools for efficient compliance management. For any queries on SAP GRC compliance, feel free to reach out. Reporting and analytics in SAP GRC. SAP GRC's reporting and analytics tools are valuable for enhancing governance, risk management, and compliance efforts. These tools offer various reports and dashboards to monitor key metrics, assess risks, and ensure regulatory compliance. Here's how they benefit organizations. Enhanced visibility and control. SAP GRC provides a unified view of GRC data, aiding in effective risk identification and management. Increased efficiency. Automation of GRC reporting tasks allows staff to focus on more strategic activities. Informed decision-making. GRC reports offer insights for better resource allocation and risk mitigation decisions. Regulatory compliance. SAP GRC helps track and demonstrate compliance with regulations like SOX, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Common reports include those for access control, risk assessment, compliance tracking, and audit findings. Pre-built dashboards provide real-time insights into compliance and risk status. Additionally, SAP GRC enables customization to meet specific organizational needs, such as tracking high-risk users or monitoring compliance with particular regulations. To maximize the benefits of reporting and analytics in SAP GRC, consider your reporting needs, create a strategy, configure reports and dashboards, train users, and regularly review and adjust your reporting approach. Following these tips will help you strengthen your governance, risk management, and compliance practices using SAP GRC reporting and analytics tools. Best practices for using SAP GRC. To make the most of SAP GRC, follow these best practices. Gain executive support, ensure top-level buy-in to allocate resources and maximize effectiveness. Involve key stakeholders, collaborate with process owners, IT, and compliance experts to tailor SAP GRC to your organization's needs. Set clear goals, define specific objectives to address your organization's risk and compliance challenges. Start small, scale up, begin with essential features, and expand as required for successful implementation. Provide thorough training. Train users with both hands-on and classroom sessions for proficient SAP GRC use. Regular testing and monitoring. Consistently evaluate system functionality and usage to spot issues and areas for improvement. Additional best practices. Use role-based access control, RBAC, to limit user access to necessary features and data. Leverage logging and auditing capabilities for tracking system activity, troubleshooting, and compliance reporting. Integrate SAP GRC with other SAP solutions like ERP and CRM to streamline processes. Utilize reporting and analytics for monitoring access controls, risks, and compliance, identifying improvement opportunities. Keep software up to date, stay current with patches and security updates to maintain system security and functionality. Troubleshooting common issues in SAP GRC. When working with SAP GRC, you might run into some issues. Here's how to troubleshoot common problems. Check logs. Look at the SAP GRC logs, accessible through SM37, for error details. Review documentation. The SAP GRC documentation on the SAP Help portal can provide guidance on using the system and solving common issues. Search for notes. Search for SAP notes and KBAs on the SAP support portal. These documents describe known problems and solutions. Contact support. If you can't resolve an issue, reach out to SAP support for assistance. Common issues and solutions. Login problems. Ensure correct user IDs and passwords, role assignments, and system availability. Access issues. Confirm user permissions, proper configuration, and system availability for specific SAP GRC functions. Job failures. Check logs for job failure details, validate job configurations, and ensure system resources are sufficient. Report generation errors. Verify report configurations, data availability, and system availability. If issues persist, don't hesitate to contact SAP support for further help. Advanced features of SAP GRC. SAP GRC is a comprehensive tool for enhancing governance, risk management, and compliance within organizations. It comes with various advanced capabilities, such as real-time risk monitoring. SAP GRC provides continuous risk monitoring and alerts for swift risk identification and response. Predictive analytics. It employs predictive analytics to spot emerging risks and suggest strategies for mitigation. Artificial intelligence. AI automates tasks like risk assessment, compliance tracking, and incident handling. Machine learning. ML learns from historical data to improve risk detection and response. Blockchain integration. It can integrate with blockchain for secure and tamper-proof transaction and compliance records. Additional features include role-based access control, segregation of duties, SOD, conflict management, authorization conflict detection, policy management, and automated audit reporting. These capabilities empower organizations to manage risks effectively, automate compliance processes, and enhance overall GRC performance. For example, a financial services company employs SAP GRC for real-time monitoring and fraud prevention. A healthcare company utilizes predictive analytics to reduce patient readmissions. A retail business automates risk assessment using AI. A manufacturing firm enhances cyber threat response with ML. A utility company secures energy transactions through blockchain integration. SAP GRC and the future of governance, risk, and compliance. SAP GRC is a versatile solution that helps organizations manage risks and compliance efficiently. It covers the entire GRC process, from identifying risks to implementing controls and compliance monitoring. In the changing landscape of GRC, SAP GRC is adapting to upcoming trends. Complex environments, organizations face growing complexity, but SAP GRC simplifies GRC management with an all-in-one platform. Regulatory challenges. As regulations evolve, SAP GRC offers pre-built content and automation to ensure compliance. Tech-dependent operations. With increased reliance on technology, SAP GRC provides integrated security and compliance solutions. Data-driven decisions. SAP GRC helps organizations collect and analyze data for informed GRC decisions. SAP GRC is continually improving, integrating AI and ML to automate tasks, identify risks, and enhance decision-making. It's a flexible tool supporting organizations of all sizes in effective GRC management. Examples of its benefits include AI-powered risk assessments, continuous compliance monitoring, data-driven GRC decisions, and automated GRC processes. As GRC evolves, SAP GRC remains a valuable asset. SAP GRC Certification. SAP GRC Certification validates your expertise in using SAP GRC solutions for governance, risk, and compliance. There are 2 certifications. SAP Certified Application Associate, SAP Access Control 12.0, C_GRAC_13. SAP Certified Application Associate, SAP Risk and Compliance 12.0, C_GRCRC_13. To qualify for the certification, you need at least 6 months of SAP GRC experience or a solid understanding of its concepts. Preparation involves training, reading documentation, software practice, and finding study partners. The certification exams are computer-based and available at Pearson VUE centers worldwide. Passing these exams demonstrates your commitment to GRC excellence, enhances your employability, and opens career opportunities. Here are some tips. Enroll in SAP GRC training courses. Thoroughly read SAP GRC documentation. Practice using SAP GRC software. Consider studying with a partner or group. Take advantage of practice questions to prepare effectively. SAP GRC career opportunities in India. The job market for SAP GRC professionals in India is thriving, with a high demand for qualified individuals. SAP GRC plays a crucial role in assisting Indian businesses in risk management, regulatory compliance, and enhancing overall governance. Here are some sought-after SAP GRC positions in India. SAP GRC Consultant, SAP GRC Architect, SAP GRC Engineer, SAP GRC Security Consultant, SAP GRC Risk Analyst, SAP GRC Compliance Officer, SAP GRC Project Manager. Professionals in this field can command competitive salaries. On average, an SAP GRC consultant in India earns 10.5 lakhs rupees per year, with experienced experts earning even more, sometimes exceeding 20 lakhs rupees annually. Several renowned companies in India are actively recruiting for SAP GRC roles, including Accenture, Deloitte, EY, KPMG, PwC, IBM, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, HCL Technologies, Tech Mahindra, and Capgemini. If you're considering a career in SAP GRC, here are some steps to enhance your prospects. Opt-in SAP GRC certification, like the SAP Certified Application Associate SAP Access Control 10.0. Gain practical experience by working on SAP GRC projects or volunteering for GRC initiatives within your organization. Network with fellow SAP GRC professionals to discover new opportunities and establish valuable connections. SAP GRC salary expectations in India. In India, SAP GRC salaries vary based on factors like experience and location. According to Ambition Box's recent survey, the average annual salary for SAP GRC consultants in India is 7.6 lakhs rupees. Here's a breakdown by experience level. 0 to 3 years, 4.2 rupees to 6 rupees lakhs per year. 3 to 5 years, 5.5 rupees to 8 rupees lakhs per year. 5 to 10 years, 7.5 rupees to 11 rupees lakhs per year. 10 plus years, 9.5 rupees to 15 rupees lakhs per year. Specialized skills, like in internal controls, audit management, or regulatory compliance, can lead to higher salaries. Location matters too. Major cities offer higher pay. To boost your SAP GRC salary, develop expertise in specific GRC areas. Get certified in SAP GRC for better marketability. Network with fellow professionals for job prospects. Consider moving to a bigger city for higher earning potential. By following these tips, you can increase your earnings as an SAP GRC consultant in India. Why choose SAP GRC Online Training? Opting for SAP GRC Online Training has several advantages. Convenience, you can learn at your own pace from anywhere with an internet connection. Flexibility, start and stop training as you wish, and revisit sections as needed. Affordability, online training is often more cost-effective, with many free or low-cost resources available. Quality, online programs can be as effective as in-person classes, with engaging content and instructional design. Additional benefits include learning from experienced professionals, gaining hands-on experience, and even preparing for SAP GRC certification exams. In summary, SAP GRC Online Training is a convenient, flexible, and cost-effective way to master SAP GRC with guidance from experts. Advantages of choosing SAP GRC Online Training. Opting for online SAP GRC training offers several key benefits. Convenience, you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, making it ideal for busy professionals. Accessibility, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, it's perfect for frequent travelers and remote workers. Affordability, online training is often more budget-friendly compared to traditional classroom options. Quality, online courses, especially those taught by experienced SAP professionals, offer top-notch education. Variety, a wide range of SAP GRC online training courses is available, allowing you to find one that suits your specific needs and budget. Additional advantages include learning from experienced instructors, gaining hands-on experience with SAP GRC software, and the potential to earn valuable SAP GRC certification. In summary, SAP GRC Online Training is a convenient, cost-effective, and high-quality path for those interested in pursuing a career in SAP GRC. Topics covers in SAP GRC Online Training. SAP GRC Online Training covers essential aspects, including Introduction to SAP GRC, understanding its significance, benefits, and purpose. Key features, access control, risk management, compliance, audits, and reporting. Setting up SAP GRC, requirements, installation, configuration, and data migration. Access control management, handling roles, authorization, access requests, and risk analysis. Risk management, identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks. Ensuring compliance, meeting regulatory standards, internal controls, and compliance reporting. Reporting and analytics, utilizing standard custom reports and dashboards. Best practices, tips for optimizing SAP GRC. Troubleshooting, dealing with common issues. Advanced features, exploring complex elements like process control and fraud management. Future of GRC, adapting to upcoming challenges. Specific modules may also be covered based on the course level and provider. Overall, SAP GRC training enhances your grasp of GRC principles for better organizational management. Why choose Proexcellency SAP GRC Online Training? Choosing Proexcellency for SAP GRC Online Training offers several compelling reasons. Seasoned instructors. Our instructors are certified SAP GRC professionals with extensive industry experience dedicated to your success. Current curriculum. Our training covers the latest SAP GRC releases and best practices, equipping you with the skills needed for a successful career. Flexible learning. Tailor your learning experience with self-paced or live online classes to suit your schedule. Hands-on practice. Gain practical experience through real-world exercises in SAP GRC during your training. Job assistance. We connect our graduates with potential employers seeking skilled SAP GRC professionals. Additional benefits. Affordable pricing. Our training is competitively priced in comparison to other providers. Satisfaction guarantee. We offer a full refund if you're not satisfied with our training for any reason. Lifetime access. Access course materials indefinitely, even after completing the training. In summary, Proexcellency provides comprehensive SAP GRC training with expert instructors, flexibility, practical experience, job support, competitive pricing, a satisfaction guarantee, and lifetime access to course materials. Contact us 0803150868 vertical bar plus 918722079509 www.proexcellency.com afan@proexcellency.com info@proexcellency.com Bangalore, India